Hey everybody, Bill Murphy with Fair Mortgage. Reaching out, getting a lot of inquiries about refinancing still before rates continue to rise. Inflation's at a super high level. It's going to continue to rise, which is the arch enemy of rates. So rates are going to continue to go up. So if you haven't refinanced, you might want to check in right away before they continue to move the wrong way. The other thing is we're doing a lot of debt consolidation, combining the first and the second. And even if the rate's 3.25 and you have 3 1/8 and you're saving $600 or $700 a month because you consolidated all your debt, it's still worth it. So look at a debt consolidation possibility. If you're in an FHA loan, a lot of people don't realize that they have permanent PMI if they've gotten into that FHA loan in the last few years, and they don't understand that. They think it's going to come off, and it won't. So that's another opportunity to refinance into a conventional loan. So there's still time to refinance. Take advantage there and give us a call.